Init talaga. Hindi, tinutulungan ko lang sila kasi quick change ako after neto. So, that was me. That was really Sheena. Yes, talagang.
I love you, Sheena!
Love you too pa. Ngayon na ako kinabahan mo yung day 3. Na-traffic yung kaba ko, dumaan kasi sa EDSA, hindi nag-skyway. Na-traffic yung kaba ko. Pero a little backstory. Backstory. I started out talaga as a dancer, as you guys know. And actually, ngayon ko na-realize, first time ko palang sumayaw sa all group na girls. All girls na group kasi yung grupo ko before sa Isabela was all men. So, na-miss ko rin sumayaw ng mga astig, mga paku, mga iyabong, nasayaw. Iyabong? Ano ba ba, iyabong? Oh, I feel affirmed. Thank you so much for saying that. And I'm so happy to be dancing in front of all of you. And it's our last night. So I want everyone to have fun tonight.